Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the console. Update the Wii U system and sign into your Nintendo Network ID so purchases and downloads are enabled. Once done, make sure you have roughly 1 GB free on internal or external storage to receive theme files. Next, power on the console, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network, then launch the Nintendo eShop. This is the only official route to obtain and download themes, so begin browsing the available options now. Once in the eShop, search for themes or filter by background and home menu content to find what you want. When you see a theme, confirm the price and complete the purchase using your linked account balance or payment method. Purchases are tied to your NNID. After buying, select Download and watch the progress bar until it reaches 100%. Make sure the console stays powered and online. Interrupted downloads can leave assets incomplete, so wait until the download fully finishes before proceeding. After download, go to Home Menu Settings and choose Change Background to find the newly downloaded theme in the list. Select it and apply so the system writes the files and updates the menu visuals. Once applied, browse a few screens to verify icons and backgrounds display correctly. If you see errors or missing graphics, reboot the console, confirm you have sufficient storage, then re-download the theme from the eShop. This simple reboot and re-download step resolves most
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.